Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I'm going to talk about Punjab and Sindh Bank recruitment for IT officers. There are recruitments announced in Scale 1, Scale 2 and Scale 3 posts. We are going to check them. We are going to discuss them in this video. This is the recruitment PDF. You can download this from the description below. The online date for application form has started from 31st of August and the last date is 15th of September. There are vacancies in various officer streams in various scales. For Officer Information Technology, there are 29 vacancies for Scale 1 post. For Officer Software Developer, there are 17 vacancies in Scale 1 post. For Cybersecurity, there are 6 vacancies. Then coming to Manager, for Manager Information Technology, there are 41 vacancies. For Manager Digital IT, there is 1 vacancy. For Manager Software Developer, there are 4 vacancies. For Manager Web Developer, there is 1 vacancy. For Manager SQL Developer, there are 3 vacancies. Then coming to Scale 3, for Senior Manager Information Technology, there are 4 vacancies. For Senior Manager Cybersecurity, again 4 vacancies. For Chief Manager Digital IT, there is 1 vacancy. So you can see vacancies are there for IT stream in various posts. Coming to the eligibility criteria, for Scale 4 post, your age should be between 28 to 40. For Scale 3, 25 to 38. For Scale 2, you should be between 25 to 35. And for Scale 1, 20 to 32 is the age qualification required. Then coming to educational and professional qualification, the cutoff date for qualification is 15th of September. For Officer Information Technology, you should have engineering degree in computer science, IT or MCA from recognized university. Candidates must be GATE 2024 qualified candidates from any one of the above or related discipline. There is no experience required for Scale 1 Information Technology post. Then for Officer Software Developer, engineering graduate in computer science, IT, ECE, MCA from recognized universities. Minimum 1 year post qualification experience in software development in these streams is required. Then Manager Information Technology, आपके एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन सेम है, 2024 गेट क्वालिफाइड होना चाहिए. Minimum 2 years post qualification experience is there in any of the below domains. So you can read them out, you can check out your eligibility. For Manager Digital, BTech BE in Computer Science, IT, Electronics Communication, Electronics Telecommunication, Electronics MCA, MSc Computer Science, and minimum 2 years post-qualification experience is required. For Manager Software Developer, engineering degree in any of these is required and minimum 2 years post-qualification experience is required. For Senior Manager Information Technology, engineering graduate in Computer Science, IT, ECE, MCA from recognized university, and minimum 6 years of post-basic qualification work experience in any of the below domains is required. Then Chief Manager Digital, BE, BTech in Computer Science, IT, Electronics Communication, Electronics Telecommunication, Electronics, MCA, MSc Computer Science, and minimum 8 years of post-qualification experience in any of these companies is required. So these are all the qualifications of various vacancies. You can check out the details, you can see whether you are eligible or not, and accordingly you can apply for these exams. All the education qualification mentioned above should be from recognized university. For IT specialist in Scale 1 and Scale 2, candidates applying are required to provide GATE Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering score as eligibility criteria, and selection process shall include shortlisting as per GATE score and personal interview. तो IT स्पेशलिस्ट के लिए आपको गेट का स्कोर प्रोवाइड करना है, उसके बेसिस पे आप शॉर्टलिस्ट होंगे एंड यू विल बी कॉल्ड फॉर इंटरव्यू. आपका रिटन टेस्ट नहीं होगा. दिस इज फॉर 29 वैकेंसीज इन IT stream as officer and 41 vacancies as manager. The scale of pay is also mentioned. See, whatever here is mentioned, this is the basic pay. इसमें dearness allowance, house rent allowance, grade allowance, special pay allowance, ये सब ऐड होता है और आपकी सैलरी काफ़ी अच्छी बन जाती है. स्केल 1 ऑफिसर की बेसिक पे 48,000 है, मैनेजर स्केल 2 की 64,820, स्केल 3 की 85,920. कमिंग टू प्रोबेशन पीरियड, बॉन्ड अमाउंट एंड मिनिमम सर्विस पीरियड, सभी में आपका 3 months ग्रॉस सैलरी इज बॉन्ड अमाउंट. 2 years का बॉन्ड पीरियड है. फॉर स्केल 1 इट्स 3 years and probation period is of 1 year for the experience post, 2 years for scale 1. Then अगर selection procedure की बात करें, for scale 4, scale 3, scale 2, scale 1, अदर देन ऑफिसर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मैनेजर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। आपका रिटन टेस्ट होगा, शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होगी, उसके बेसिस पे फिर इंटरव्यू होगा। रिटन टेस्ट में इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, जनरल अवेयरनेस और प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज है। इंग्लिश और जनरल अवेयरनेस में 20 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज में 60 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। टोटल पेपर विल बी ऑफ 100 मार्क्स एंड ड्यूरेशन इज 105 मिनट्स। सेक्शनल कट ऑफ प्रेजेंट है एंड ओवरऑल कट ऑफ भी प्रेजेंट है, बट फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट और शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग ऑफ इंटरव्यू के लिए सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज के मार्क्स ही काउंट किए जाएंगे। इंग्लिश और जीए में आपको सेक्शनल कट ऑफ क्लियर करनी है, प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज के मार्क्स के बेसिस पे इंटरव्यू के लिए शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग की जाएगी और फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट बनाई जाएगी। So these are all the details that are present. You can read out the entire notification and look for more details. This is attached in the description below. If you have any questions, any queries, you can write them down in the comment below. If you want any kind of preparation material, any kind of guidance to prepare for this exam, that also you can mention in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.